Our universe is a place of wonder and mystery. Looking up at the sky, we see countless stars and galaxies. But what if I told you that everything we can see makes up only 5% of the universe? The rest is invisible and mysterious. Scientists call these hidden parts dark matter and dark energy. They shape our universe in ways we're only beginning to understand. Dark matter holds galaxies together while dark energy pushes the universe apart. These invisible forces have puzzled scientists for decades. In this video, we'll explore the secrets of dark matter and dark energy. We'll look at what we know, what we don't know, and the exciting new ideas that might help us solve these cosmic mysteries. Our story begins in the 1930s with a scientist named Fritz Zwicky. He was studying a big group of galaxies called a coma cluster. Zwicky noticed something strange. These galaxies were moving much faster than they should be. It was as if there was extra gravity pulling on them. But where was this extra gravity coming from? Zwicky suggested there might be something he called dark matter, stuff we can't see that's adding extra pull. For a long time, not many people paid attention to Zwicky's idea, but in the 1970s, another scientist named Vera Rubin made an important discovery. He was looking at how spiral galaxies spin. Rubin found that the outer parts of these galaxies were spinning way too fast. There wasn't enough visible matter to explain it. This was big news. It meant that there had to be a lot of invisible matter in and around galaxies. These discoveries and many others that came later showed that dark matter is very real. But what exactly is it? We know it doesn't give off light or interact with light in any way. That's why we can't see it. We also know that it only interacts with normal matter through gravity. Scientists have some ideas about what dark matter might be made of. They think it could be tiny particles we haven't discovered yet. But so far, all attempts to find these particles have failed. Dark matter is really important for how the universe works. Without it, galaxies and galaxy clusters wouldn't be able to hold themselves together. Computer models show that dark matter helped normal matter clump together in the early universe. This is how the first galaxies formed. Today, dark matter forms a huge web that spans the entire universe. This cosmic web guides where galaxies and galaxy clusters form. Just when scientists thought that they were starting to understand the universe, they made an even more surprising discovery. In the 1990s, two teams of astronomers were studying exploding stars called supernova. They wanted to measure the universe's expansion and how it was changing over time. Everyone expected to find that the expansion was slowing down. After all, gravity should be pulling everything back together, right? But that's not all that they found. Instead, they discovered that the universe's expansion is speeding up. This was a huge shock. It meant that there had to be some kind of energy pushing the universe apart. Scientists call this mysterious force dark energy. We know even less about dark energy than we do know about dark matter. One idea is that it's a property of space itself. Empty space might not be empty at all, but filled with this strange energy. Another possibility is that dark energy is a new kind of energy field that fills the whole universe. Some scientists think that maybe our understanding of gravity is wrong on really big scales. Whatever dark energy is, it has a big effect on the universe's future. If dark energy keeps getting stronger, the universe will keep expanding faster and faster. Eventually, galaxies might be so far apart that we can't see them anymore. Understanding dark energy is really important. It could change how we think about the basic laws of physics. Scientists all over the world are working hard to figure out what dark matter and dark energy are. For dark matter, they're trying a few different things. Some experiments are set up deep underground. These try to catch dark matter particles bumping into smaller ones. So far, they haven't found anything, but they keep looking with more and more sensitive equipment. Other scientists are looking for dark matter in space. They use telescopes to search for signs of dark matter affecting normal matter. Some are even trying to create dark matter in big machines called particle accelerators. The search for dark energy is a bit different. Scientists are making huge maps of where galaxies are in the universe. By looking at how these maps change over time, they hope to learn more about dark energy. There are also space telescopes in space looking for clues about dark energy. One space mission, called Euclid, launched in 2023. Its whole job is to study dark energy and dark matter. Another big telescope called the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will launch in a few years. It will also look for clues about these cosmic mysteries. As scientists keep searching, they're coming up with new ideas all the time. Some think that dark energy and dark matter might be connected somehow. Others wonder if we need to change how we think about gravity itself. There are even theories that try to explain the universe without dark matter or dark energy at all. One really interesting new idea came out in 2023. Some scientists think that black holes might actually be the source of dark energy. They found that the biggest black holes in the centers of galaxies have been growing in a weird way. They think that these black holes might contain something called vacuum energy, which could be a form of dark energy. If this is true, it could solve two big mysteries at once. Looking to the future, new technology will help us learn even more. Better telescopes and more sensitive detectors will let us see the universe in new ways. We might even be able to use gravitational waves, ripples in space-time, to study dark matter and dark energy. The mysteries of dark matter and dark energy are some of the biggest questions in science today. They make us rethink what we know about the basic rules of the universe. As we keep exploring, who knows what other amazing things we might discover. The universe is a vast and wonderful place, full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. These cosmic mysteries show us how we still have to learn about the universe. Dark matter and dark energy reminds us that the cosmos is full of surprises. They challenge our imagination and push us to think in new ways. Every new discovery brings more questions, but that's what makes science so exciting. As we continue to study dark matter and dark energy, we're not just learning about far-off things in space. We're learning about the fundamental nature of reality itself. These invisible forces shape the largest structures in the universe, but understanding them could also change how we think about the tiniest particles. The search for dark matter and dark energy is a great example of how science works. Scientists make observations, come up with theories to explain what they see. And then they test those theories with more observations and experiments. When something doesn't fit, they have to rethink their ideas. This process of questioning and discovery is what drives science forward. It's amazing to think that just a few hundred years ago, we didn't know the universe was expanding. Now we're trying to figure out why the expansion is speeding up. Who knows what we'll discover in the next 100 years? Maybe we'll find out that dark matter is made of particles we've never seen before. Or maybe we'll learn that dark energy is connected to other dimensions we can't see. One of the most exciting things about studying the universe is how it connects to our everyday lives. The same curiosity that drives us to look at the stars also leads to new technologies here on Earth. For example, some of the tools developed to study dark matter might help us create better medical imaging machines. As we wrap up our journey through the dark side of the cosmos, it's worth taking a moment to appreciate how far we've come. We've gone from thinking the Milky Way was the whole universe to realizing we're just a tiny part of a vast cosmic web. We've discovered that most of the universe is made of stuff we can't see or touch, and we've learned that the universe itself is alive with energy, constantly changing and growing. The mysteries of dark matter and dark energy remind us that there's always more to discover. They show us that the universe is more strange and wonderful than we can ever imagine. As we continue to explore these cosmic puzzles, we're not just learning about the universe, we're learning about ourselves and our place in the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there's more out there than meets the eye. The stars and galaxies we can see are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Hidden in the darkness are the mysterious forces that shape our universe. And who knows, maybe someday soon, we'll shine a light on the dark side of the cosmos and uncover its deepest secrets. So that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.